My lightning talk is probably a bit less substantive than some of the others because I don't actually have any results to show you, but rather talk about a project that is sort of in its initial phases right now that I'm hoping will interest or be of interest to some of you. I've yet to sort of figure out how to engage a lot of Cornell folk in this, but the Cornell Institute for African Development recently got funding to run for a project that is geared towards enhancing data collection capabilities of partner institutions in sub-Saharan Africa. And part of that obviously encompasses GIS and GPS. So there is we're planning a pilot workshop next year in Moshi, Tanzania, with a couple partners that encompasses three distinct areas. One, public health data collection. The second, wildlife conservation. The third is land tenure formalization. So we have partners in each of these areas. The Honey Guide Foundation studies human-wildlife conflict and tensions, and is interested in collecting data on habitat and wildlife sightings. KCMC, the Kilimanjaro Christian Medical College, is interested in collecting geocoded household and village level public health data. They have a fairly robust research facility there. The Nelson Mandela University just came on board as well, although we haven't figured out how to incorporate them. And finally, Sustainable Moshi wants to evaluate a recent land formalization program in which they surveyed squatter settlements and things like that, and allocated property deeds, and that happened approximately 8-10 years ago. So they want some geo-reference data collection along those lines. So at this point, since the funding just came through, we're still working on a partner needs assessment, trying to figure out exactly in terms of resources, training, technology, what each of the partners needs. And that'll be followed by developing content for the workshop, and finally looking at monitoring and evaluation of the workshop. And the idea is eventually to expand it to include other locations. We're looking at Lusaka in Zambia down the line as well. So that's all I have. If anyone's interested, I'd love to talk to anyone interested in development, sub-Saharan Africa, GIS training and workshops and things like that.